This is the Under Armour running shoe, casual shoe that I ordered from Flipkart. You can check out the model UA Essential Runner Mesh, black gray, and check out the size and rest of the information. My size is UK 8. Let's try to figure out the quality and how good it is for casual use, etc. You can check out the model number, manufacturing date, etc. Color is black. This is for men. Let's try to unbox this and check out. So this is the shoe. Looks pretty good. It says outer material is leather. I'm not sure about it. Sole is very soft. Stitching quality is amazing. It is really flexible. You got the Under Armour logo here as well. Under Armour branding here. It feels like cloth, and this one here is the mesh, gray color lasers, light gray from inside, very cushiony, good for casual running purpose. It says the outer material is leather, and it could be used for any sporting activities like running or casual wear. And you should always use a wipe with a clean dry cloth. Avoid doing any wet cleaning. I got this for about let me check out the price. In an offer, 3415. So I got this for 3415 in an offer. Right now it is retailed at somewhere around 4,000, but I would highly recommend you to get this in an offer for maybe between 3 to 3.5k. Let me show you how it looks when you wear this shoe. It's pretty amazing, and it's pretty soft as well. Let me try to show you how it feels when you wear it and walk. Feels very good. It is very light in weight, flexible as well. I'm not sure if I can recommend this for running purpose, but for casual walk, for casual wear, you can definitely go for this shoe. It's very comfortable, very flexible. And the sole is soft, it's not hard. I would highly recommend these shoes if you're looking for anything for casual wear. Go for this shoe. I'll share the link in the description. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button.